Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am coming to you with a Locs and Looks. You guys, I love these kind of videos. I need to do them more often. Today it's going to be the Brown Sugar line, Colourpop times Karrueche. I know I'm late, do not. Okay, do not come at me. I just didn't know if I really wanted to grab this makeup line because I felt like I have a lot of neutrals, but once I looked at it I was like, wait, I'm brown sugar, I really need this. I will also be showing you how I got my hair in this style. Just know, you guys, anyone can do this hairstyle, whether you're relaxed, loose, natural. So not only lock people can do these looks, but you can as well. And if you really want to see this makeup look in this hairstyle, then definitely stay tuned. So we're going to jump right into it, but first let me welcome anyone who is new to my channel. I am Elizabeth and we cover all things beauty related and we really love affordable options. So if you're into any of that, go ahead and subscribe, guys. But to talk about this line, like I said, I didn't know. I got it so late because I didn't know if this was something that I wanted. And my mother-in-law was like, I got the brown sugar line. And I'm like, what? She don't even wear makeup like that, but she's getting more into it. And when I seen her with it and I went back on there like, is this something that I should get? I was like, Liz, this is so you need this. You love Colourpop. This is one of your favorite places to shop. So I went ahead and picked it up and I'm so glad I did because it's such a beautiful line. I think. So let's go ahead and get right into the look, and then afterwards I'm going to come and show you how I got my hair as well. So if you got this palette, grab it, let's go. If you don't, when you do grab it, just come back to this video, okay? All right, let's get to it.
Something for nothing. You want touch but no feelings. You want something for nothing. You want sex but no loving. Your place or my place, always the same thing. I know every morning you're leaving me, girl. Wish I knew your weakness. I just wanna fuck with you, and we don't gotta call it anything. You want something for nothing. Something for nothing. You want touch but no feelings. I know you don't want something for nothing. Something. Want sex but no loving. want something for nothing. You want touch but no feelings. You want something for nothing. You want sex but no loving. You want something for nothing. You want touch but no feelings. I know you don't want something for nothing. You want sex but no something for nothing. You want touch but no feelings. You want something for nothing. You want sex but no loving. Your place or mine.
Karrueche came out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lip colors. 4 of them are lipsticks and the other 2 are lip glosses. The ones that I am wearing today is the shade Dumpling, and I put a little bit of Blowsy on top. Really love these 2 shades, very comfortable consistency. So I'm going to show you really quickly all the different lip shades probably in the picture. First shade that I'm going to show you is called Butter, and this is a cream lipstick. And then the next shade I'm going to show you is Cinnamon, and this is also a cream lipstick. And then the next shade I'm going to show you is Brick. Oh, they're all cream, so I don't have to say that. So then the next shade is Brick, and then I have Chocolatier. All these shades are beautiful, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this Locs and Looks video. It was really fun. I love this hairstyle. I love this makeup line. I'm sure y'all know that because I probably said it all through this video. It's very affordable, very good quality. Pigmentation is there as usual with Colourpop. I have a video right here that you can watch. I have another one right here, and you can also subscribe right here, you guys. Thank you all for stopping by, and as usual, God bless you all and have a great day, night, or whatever it is where you are. Bye, guys.